Hi, in this video, we're asked how long would it take for $100 to accumulate to $1,000 if we invested at 15% per annum compounding interest. So this is compounding interest. We're going to use our compounding interest rule, A equals P, that's 1 plus I to the N. So let's go through and work out what numbers we've got. A is the finishing amount, my final amount. So that's my $1,000, how much I want to end with. P is our principal, how much we're starting with, $100. I is our interest rate per compounding period as a decimal. So we've got 15% per annum. So I've got to divide that by 100 to turn it into a decimal. And then I also need to think, do I need to divide it because it's compounding more than once per year? We're going to just have 15% per annum compounding interest. That's just per year, so that's all I need. So that's 0.15. And then lastly, we have N. And N is how long, how many compounding periods. That's what I'm trying to work out. So if we go and put this into our rule, that means that we have A, which is 1,000, equals 100 outside of 1 plus I 0.15 to the power of N. And we need to work out what N will enable us to get $1,000. Now, if we knew about logarithms, we'd be able to use logarithms to solve this, but we don't. So we're actually going to use trial and error. So what we need to do, and it's easy if we set up a table of how many periods and what the result of this 100 outside of 1 plus 0.15 to the power of N is going to be. So I'm going to pick some N's, and we're going to work this out, and we're going to see what it is. We're just going to think about how many times it's going to happen. So each time, each period, each year, we gain 15% extra. So it's going to take a little bit of time for us to get up to $1,000 because we've got to multiply everything by 10 basically. So I'm going to start off with an initial guess for N of 15 periods. So then I need to work out what amount I'm going to have. So I'm going to get up a calculator and we're going to put this in 100 outside of 1 plus 0.15 to the power of N. So we're going to put in 15. We're going to work that out. So that gives us $813.71. So we got $813.71. Close. We're only $200 off, but not quite good enough. So let's try another guess. Let's go up another year and see where we end up. So let's go up and try 16. And now the nice thing about having a scientific calculator is you can just go in and you can just alter this number, our N, change it to 16, and we get our new answer, $935.76. So we've got $935.76. We're almost there, so theoretically 17 years should do us. So let's go and alter our calculation. 17 equals 1076.13, and that is more than $1,000. So it's going to take 17 years for $100 to accumulate to $1,000 by using trial and error.